fireworks.
Firework. Whoa. Well, move out of the way, Todd.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're in the way of the camera. Oh, I didn't know I was going to do this.
Well,
Eli.
Stop. Look at the secret little bug in the door.
You think she sees it? Oh, she sees it now.
A big one.
What is that called?
No, you don't get close to it yet.
It's called.
This one's pretty loud. Do you want me to not do it?
That was called
Huh?
gold glitter.
You think it'll bother her?
You're just going to be watching her later.
This is a high one. This is really loud, so get ready.
Yeah.
This is loud.
Oh, yes.
What's it called, Todd?
I think it's the Jack in the Box.
Oh, watch out.
Oh, maybe not.
It's not loud.
No, it's the one thing.
Yeah, like whistle
The
loud.
bottle rocket.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Well, that's cool.
That's red. Starfire.
What'd you say, Eli?
Just wait, Matt.
No.
Jack in the box. Jack in the box. Pretty epic. I know. Sorry. There we go. Oh, God, no.
Rich, don't whip them.
There, you have 2 eyes now.
Don't.
Is that on video?
Yeah, we're still recording.
Oh, you still are?
Yeah. Do the loud ones.
These are loud.
These we think are the loud ones.
Did you buy them at the pet place? Yeah, just the one up there on the top.
No, you have
Let's do
what
a lot of
happens.
loud ones. Just do like one.
Do one?
Do one at a time.
I'm only doing one.
Just one.
Yeah, just do one.
No, do all of them.
Let's do them after dark then.
All right.
We'll do the rest after dark.
Now.
Rich.
What's that, Tom?
He's even backing up. Rich. Can I?
So like this one.
You just play nice with the eye dog. Soft and hard.
Whoa. Don't get closer. What is it called? What's it
Hey,
called?
love, what's going on?
Open flower happy bird.
Oh, you're just leaving Knobles now?
Open flower happy
Oh
bird.
my god. How was it?
That's what it's called.
Did you swim the whole time or did you?
Did you do one more?
No, that's it for now.
Are we doing any more now?
Oh.
No, we'll
Did
save
you get
them.
a
Can we do the ones that explode?
We'll save them for after.
Bye.